Let's go this way. Go out, get our baskets. Yeah, you want to find some eggs?
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, ready? Here we go. Come on.
Cheese.
Lincoln. And that one's Lacey. Come here, look, Lincoln. This one's yours.
Alright. What you got? Hey, candy.
Candy.
What's this?
Thank you.
Look, a little peep bird.
That's a captain's one. Cute. Isn't it? It's for four players.
What's this?
Thank you. Oh, this is cute. It's a little charger. This is so cute. I love these. Those are volleyball stickers. Really? Thank you. These are so cute.
Get your eggs. Find the eggs.
Are you ready, Lacey? Yeah.
He's right.
All right, go get eggs. There's one. Get them.
Find the eggs, Lincoln. Where's the eggs?
Good job, buddy. Put it in your basket. I'm gonna give them. Go get more. Here. Go get more. Here, take your basket. Here, go find them. Go find them. Lincoln, look.
Lincoln, on the grass. Look at there's eggs.
Grab the eggs. Lincoln, get the eggs. Put it in your basket. Lincoln, now. Lincoln, put it in your basket. Here, put it in your basket. Let's go find more.
There's eggs.
Pick them up. Put them in your basket.
Put them in your basket. You gotta pick up the eggs. You gotta find them.
Oh, sorry.
Lisa, find the other ones, baby.
Go get more eggs. Put them in your basket. We should have did a little count on them, huh?
Yeah, you don't care. You know there's something inside. He's fine with that.
Whoa, is there any more? Go find more.
Lincoln, over there.
Go find
look.
more.
Yeah, there's one big one.
Oh, sorry.
That's why you wanted all more. You just didn't.
Well, you got your thing. Lincoln, where are they, buddy? Look right there. Look. Oh.
Lincoln, look. Look.
Moon is out.
And the sun.
And the sun. The hot light. Hey, there's one right there. Lincoln, look.
Look, there's one.
I think you already ate all those ones. That's good.
He literally opens it, eats it, and then proceeds to the next one.
My boy.
It's a these.
It's a baby dinosaur. All right, you all done finding the eggs?
You
You want to
know.
go to the zoo? Oh, there's one right here. Look.
There's one, go get it. Look, you want to see the animals?
Amor.
Wait, that's actually cute. I thought.
Amor. I
I
want.
felt like you were playing that one for a second, huh?
And there's one more. Good job.
Is there money in that one? Oh. I see one more. I see one more, Lincoln. Where is it?
Where is it? Where'd it go?
How'd you miss that one, Lacey? I don't know. I'm saving your pen. That's nice. Those little earrings were Hello Kitty earrings. They're cute, huh? They're cute.
It's a really beautiful Easter day.
Yeah. Easter Day is always beautiful.
I know.
Huh? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
It's like so cold and dark.
Yesterday? Was it yesterday?
No, it was the
Oh yeah. Sun is up. Yay! Alright, who wants to go to the zoo?
Also, let's see. I'll grab some. Yeah. Because I'm pretty sure. Did you like it? I think his little thing went off. Let's see.
Eventually.
Okay, and then one without. Yeah, it looks like very tasty. Look at him, he looks like he wants to come in there. Lincoln, what do you think? Uh-oh, don't get too close, he's gonna get you. Just kidding. Whoa. I'm taking a video. Look at his teeth, Lincoln. Look at his teeth. Lincoln is gonna be 3 tomorrow, and Lacey is 12.
Oh, man.
You wanna go see more, Lincoln? What do you think?
I know, that's crazy. You blew my mind on that one.
Ask Lacey.
Lacey
She'll know.
really liked it.
That's cool, huh? He's a big elephant.
The one behind it was huge.
Lincoln, did you have fun? Yeah? Lincoln, did you have fun? Yeah? What about you, Lacey? Yeah. What about you, babe?
Great time.
Sorry, I was even recording the whole time. Skinnier than the